This is BirdNote, and today is Earth Day. This is the sound of the ivory-billed woodpecker, a bird that was last seen for certain before 1950. The low-lying hardwood forests of the southeast that it depended on had been cut down. But it's not too late to help other birds, like the solitary American bittern. We can preserve the wetlands upon which they depend so that the bittern's otherworldly song never disappears. The sharp-tailed grouse lives in a wide range of habitats, from prairie grasslands to shrublands to the bogs of the boreal forest. Populations of sharp-tailed grouse have increased by nearly 20% since 1970, partly thanks to the Conservation Reserve Program. Let's end with a real success story. By the end of 2019, 337 California condors graced the skies over the West Coast. With the help of a multitude of individuals, government agencies, wildlife organizations, and more, the wild population has increased from only 25 birds in the 1980s. This Earth Day, we invite you to join BirdNote and our conservation partners to help bring birds back. Start at birdnote.org. I'm Mary McCann.